Hi everyone, this is Robin Joy, the Happy Food Chef, and today we're going to talk a little bit about sandwiches because I don't know about you, but I can't live without sandwiches. But when you think of sandwiches, you always think of bread, right? And everybody's worried about gluten-free and this and that. Well, sandwiches come in so many different ways. They don't have to be with bread. So I'm going to show you today, we are going to do something really fun. And this could be your breakfast in the morning, but I'm going to build out. So what I've done is I actually roasted in the oven. I took a sweet potato and I cut them so that they're like that, like parts of a side of a piece of bread, right? And I'm going to build up open-faced sandwiches here. And what I'm going to do, and this is a really good breakfast or beautiful little lunch or dinner, whatever, I'm going to take some hummus and I'm going to put hummus on the bottom here as my spread. So we've got our protein, a good carb, and we're going to build a sandwich. And you guys are growing some of these greens, and just remember, this is just an idea of what you can do with what you're growing. So now I'm going to layer on top of this, I'm going to put a little bit of red onion, but you could use spring onions, you could use shallots, anything in the onion family or not. So you can do anything you want here, but this is what I'm building out. I then want to put some red pepper. So I've sliced up some red peppers. And we're going to build a nice little sandwich here without having any bread. So there's lots that you can do that is sandwich-like and in the realm of anywhere from using wraps and different things, but this is a vegan open-faced sandwich. So the next thing we're going to put, we're going to do tomatoes. Yep, we're going to do our tomatoes. And these are cherry tomatoes that I've cut in pieces, small pieces like that. You can chop them. And it doesn't matter if it overflows. It really doesn't, because it's might end up, once I start to cut into it, as almost like a salad-y sandwich. So we're going to have that. And then we're going to put in some avocado. So we have a beautiful fat in here. And this is going to be yummy in the tummy. And then we're going to top it with our, today I'm using microgreens, but you could use arugula. And you can layer this in different layers. You could put your greens on the bottom, many different ways. And then I was going to put some little capers on top, which if you have them, great. If you don't, and you could also do different things. You could put, if you have your growing mint, fresh basil, you could put all of your fresh herbs onto this as well, even some chopped greens so that you have more green. And then if you need to, a little bit of lemon or a little bit of any dressing you like. But even just like that, you've got a beautiful little, for me, this is an amazing lunch or breakfast because it'll give you something to start the day. It gives you a really good carbohydrate. You've got protein in there with your hummus. You've got your avocado, which is a beautiful fat. And you've got your greens, so, and some other veggies. And so for me, this is just a beautiful open-faced sandwich kind of meal. So enjoy.